Hey kids, today we will learn table of 11. So let's get started. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. 11 threes are 33. 11 fours are 44. 11 fives are 55. 11 sixes are 66. 11 sevens are 77. 11 eights are 88. 11 nines are 99. 11 tens are 110. So kids, now repeat with me. 11 ones are 11.
11 ones are 11.
11 twos are 22.
11 twos are 22.
11 threes are 33.
11 threes are 33.
11 fours are 44.
11 fours are 44.
11 fives are 55.
11 fives are 55.
11 sixes are 66.
11 sixes are 66.
11 sevens are 77.
11 sevens are 77.
11 eights are 88.
11 eights are 88.
11 nines are 99.
11 nines are 99.
11 tens are 110.
11 tens are 110.
Now moving to table of 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. 12 sixes are 72. 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 108. 12 tens are 120. Kids, repeat after me. 12 ones are 12.
12 ones are 12.
12 twos are 24.
12 twos are 24.
12 threes are 36.
12 threes are 36.
12 fours are 48.
12 fours are 48.
12 fives are 60.
12 fives are 60.
12 sixes are 72.
12 sixes are 72.
12 sevens are 84.
12 sevens are 84.
12 eights are 96.
12 eights are 96.
12 nines are 108.
12 nines are 108.
12 tens are 120.
12 tens are 120.
Next we will learn table of 13. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are 39. 13 fours are 52. 13 fives are 65. 13 sixes are 78. 13 sevens are 91. 13 eights are 104. 13 nines are 117. 13 tens are 130. Kids, repeat after me. 13 ones are 13.
13 ones are 30.
13 twos are 26.
13 twos are 26.
13 threes are 39.
13 threes are 39.
13 fours are 52.
13 fours are 52.
13 fives are 65.
13 fives are 65.
13 sixes are 78.
13 sixes are 78.
13 sevens are 91.
13 sevens are 91.
13 eights are 104.
13 eights are 104.
13 nines are 117.
13 nines are 117.
13 tens are 130.
13 tens are 170.
Now comes table of 14. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are 70. 14 6s are 84. 14 7s are 98. 14 8s are 112. 14 9s are 126. 14 10s are 140. Kids, repeat after me. 14 1s are 14.
14 ones are 14.
14 2s are 28.
14 twos are 28.
14 3s are 42.
43 are 42.
14 4s are 56.
44 are 56.
14 5s are 70.
14 fives are 70.
14 6s are 84.
46 are 84.
14 7s are 98.
14 sevens are 98.
14 8s are 112.
14 eights are 112.
14 9s are 126.
14 nines are 126.
14 10s are 140.
14 tens are 140.
Now learn table of 15. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are 45. 15 fours are 60. 15 fives are 75. 15 sixes are 90. 15 sevens are 105. 15 eights are 120. 15 nines are 135. 15 tens are 150. Now kids, repeat after me. 15 ones are 15.
15 ones are 15.
15 twos are 30.
15 twos are 30.
15 threes are 45.
15 threes are 45.
15 fours are 60.
15 fours are 60.
15 fives are 75.
15 fives are 75.
15 sixes are 90.
56 are 90.
15 sevens are 105.
15 sevens are 105.
15 eights are 120.
15 eights are 120.
15 nines are 135.
15 nines are 135.
15 tens are 150.
15 tens are 150.
Kids, now learn table of 16. So let's get started. 16 ones are 16. 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are 48. 16 fours are 64. 16 fives are 80. 16 sixes are 96. 16 sevens are 112. 16 eights are 128. 16 nines are 144. 16 tens are 160. Kids, repeat after me. 16 ones are 16.
16 ones are 60.
16 twos are 32.
16 twos are 32.
16 threes are 48.
16 threes are 48.
16 fours are 64.
16 fours are 64.
16 fives are 80.
16 fives are 80.
16 sixes are 96.
16 sixes are 96.
16 sevens are 112.
16 sevens are 112.
16 eights are 128.
16 eights are 108.
16 nines are 144.
16 nines are 144.
16 tens are 160.
16 tens are 160.
Kids, learn table of 17. 17 ones are 17. 17 twos are 34. 17 threes are 51. 17 fours are 68. 17 fives are 85. 17 sixes are 102. 17 sevens are 119. 17 eights are 136. 17 nines are 153. 17 tens are 117. Now kids, repeat after me. 17 ones are 17.
17 ones are 17.
17 twos are 34.
72 are 34.
17 threes are 51.
17 threes are 51.
17 fours are 68.
17 fours are 68.
17 fives are 85.
17 fives are 85.
17 sixes are 102.
76 are 102.
17 sevens are 190.
17 sevens are 190.
17 eights are 136.
17 eights are 136.
17 nines are 153.
17 nines are 153.
17 tens are 170.
17 tens are 170.
Kids learn table of 18. 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. 18 threes are 54. 18 fours are 72. 18 fives are 90. 18 sixes are 108. 18 sevens are 126. 18 eights are 144. 18 nines are 162. 18 tens are 180. Kids, repeat after me. 18 ones are 18.
18 ones are 18.
18 twos are 36.
18 twos are 36.
18 threes are 54.
18 threes are 54.
18 fours are 72.
18 fours are 72.
18 fives are 90.
18 fives are 90.
18 sixes are 108.
18 sixes are 108.
18 sevens are 126.
18 sevens are 126.
18 eights are 144.
18 eights are 144.
18 nines are 162.
18 nines are 162.
18 tens are 180.
18 tens are 180.
Kids learn table of 19. 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. 19 threes are 57. 19 fours are 76. 19 fives are 95. 19 sixes are 114. 19 sevens are 133. 19 eights are 152. 19 nines are 171. 19 tens are 190. Kids, repeat after me. 19 ones are 19.
19 ones are 19.
19 twos are 38.
19 twos are 38.
19 threes are 57.
19 threes are 57.
19 fours are 76.
19 fours are 76.
19 fives are 95.
19 fives are 95.
19 sixes are 114.
19 sixes are 114.
19 sevens are 133.
19 sevens are 133.
19 eights are 152.
19 eights are 152.
19 nines are 171.
19 nines are 171.
19 tens are 190.
19 tens are 190.
Now kids learn table of 20. So let's get started. 21s are 20. 22s are 40. 23s are 60. 24s are 80. 25s are 100. 26 are 120. 27s are 140. 28s are 160. 29s are 180. 2010s are 200. So kids, repeat after me. 21s are 20.
21s are 20.
22s are 40.
22s are 40.
23s are 60.
23s are 60.
24s are 80.
24s are 80.
25s are 100.
25s are 100.
26 are 120.
26 are 120.
27s are 140.
27s are 140.
28s are 160.
28s are 160.
29s are 180.
29s are 180.
2010s are 200.
2010s are 200.
So kids, today we have learned tables of 11 to 20.